Look at what we're making today, little vintage pumpkin people. This is a kit you can buy in my shop and it makes 6 ornaments or 1 garland. Here's everything you get in the kit. We have 6 spun cotton heads, there are 3 of each design. 6 witch hats, these have little holes in the tops for hanging. And here is the beautiful bump chenille that I had made for this kit. A handful of little miniature trinkets, soft cotton string, and a little wire to help thread the hanging loops. You will also need some scissors, a measuring tape or ruler, and fast drying glue. I'm using Beacon 3-in-1. For each figure you will need a segment of bump chenille that's 2 bumps long, and a single bump for the arms. Bend the 2 bump segment in half and pinch the top. Apply a little glue in the bottom of the pumpkin head and insert the top of the body. If you're having trouble getting it to fit, you can use your scissors to open up the hole a little wider. Apply a dot of glue just under the head on the front of the body. Stick on the single bump arm segment and then bend that around to the back. That will hold it in place while the glue is drying. And then just set that aside until it's fully dried. And now I'm going to go through and make the other 5 figures. After the glue has dried, the figure can be posed. Pinch the arms on either side of the body and bring them forward. Then you can sort of imagine where the elbow and wrist is and bend the arms where you want them. Then if you hold the body together at the middle, you can separate the legs and bend the knees and ankles to make little feet. There is a little trinket for each figure to hold, and those can be glued in place. I'm just going to go through the rest of my figures. I like to pose each one a little differently, and I'll add the miniatures as I go. You have a choice of either making these into ornaments or stringing them together into a garland. To make ornaments, measure out 10-inch lengths of the cotton string. Knot together the ends of each string to make hanging loops. In your kit, you have a small, fine piece of wire. Fold that in half and pinch the end, and we'll use this to feed the loops through the witch hats. Feed the loop up through the bottom of the hat and pull. The knot will hold it in place. And then just remove the wire. Apply glue to the inner rim of the hat, press it onto the pumpkin head, and hold it until the glue sets. To make a garland, measure out a piece of string that's about 70 inches long. This time the string is fed through the top of the hat. Pull the string through with the wire, remove the wire, and then tie a knot at the end of the loop. Pull the string back through the hat until the knot catches. Space the hats about 10 inches apart on the string and then glue them to the top of the pumpkin heads.